In the settings section, under registration, I can set up extra information that I want new members to provide before joining. I can also set up a registration fee, which is a one-time amount that members must pay before they can start accessing my facility's services. Name, email address, and phone number are already collected during sign-up on Spacepulse, so I don't need to create fields for those. That information will automatically be available to me. To collect additional information, I'll turn on the Require Registration toggle and configure the fields I want members to complete, along with how I want to collect that information. Here, I'll collect date of birth as a date field, and I'll use a long text field to ask new members if they have any medical conditions I should consider. Next, I'll enable the one-time registration fee option and enter the amount new members are required to pay to join my facility. That's it. Members joining my facility will be required to provide this information and pay the registration fee before they can complete their registration and start accessing my services.